Now let us talk about cubes and cube roots. Now first we have talked about squares and square roots. Square means multiplying the number 2 times. Over here cube means multiplying the number 3 times. Cube is always raised to the power 3 and square is always raised to the power 2. For example, 3 to the power 3 means you have to multiply 3 times. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 will give you 27. 6 to the power 3 means 6 you have to multiply 3 times. 6 multiply 6 will give you 216. So these are called cube roots. Cubes. Now coming on to cubes again. Now cube root of negative number is always negative. For example, cubes or cube roots, both. For example, you have minus 3 raised to the power 3 means minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. You can cancel these two minus, but again this minus is still left with you, which will give you minus 27. For example, now if they talk about cube roots, minus 27 to the power 3. Now 3 times you have what number is you are going to multiply 3 times to get 27 along with this negative sign. You know that you are going to multiply 3. Now 3 should be negative in order to get this number, so your answer is going to be minus 3 in case of cube roots. So cubes and cube roots of negative number is always negative, but squares and square root of negative number is always positive. For example, squares, minus 3 multiply minus 3, you can cancel both the signs, you will get 9. Okay, so squares and square roots are always positive in squares. Now let's try to do exercise 5C. Exercise 5C, question number 1/3. They have given you 2/3. You have to find out the cube of this number. Cube means you have to multiply the same number 3 times. 2/3 multiply 2/3 multiply 2/3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 8/27 is going to be your answer. Let's try to do question number 4, 5th part. Minus 1331. You have to find out the cube root. Over there we have to find out the cube. Over here you have to find out the cube root. Now what number is multiplied 3 times to get 1331? When you don't know what is being multiplied, so you can take out LCM, like over here I have done. LCM of this number I have taken. Now what number I have multiplied 3 times? 11 I have multiplied 3 times. So 11 multiply 11 multiply 11 means 11 cube will give you, and that also you have minus. So you have to find the cube root of minus 1331. So minus 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 means minus 11 you have multiplied 3 times. So minus 11 cube means minus 11 you have multiplied 3 times, so answer is going to be minus 11. Minus 11 is the cube of minus 1331, and cube root of minus 1331 is minus 11.